Hey guys, so today we're going to start with basic algebraic equations and try to solve for x in different situations. So let's get started here. So let's have something like 5x plus x minus 7 equals 23. So the best way of doing this is that you want to isolate x because you want to figure out what value of x will make this statement true. So you add 7 to both sides, and this will cancel out because that's 0. So you have 5 times x plus x equals 30, and you can do this two different ways. You can do 5x plus 5x equals 30 because you can carry that constant multiplier through, or you could see that x plus x is 2x, and 5 times 2x is 10x. You'll get to the same spot, but that's not a problem at all. So from here, when you divide both sides by 10, you find out x is 3. So if we wanted to prove that that statement we just created is true, and check it, this is how you can always know you'll get it right. 3 plus 3 minus 7 equals 23. So 6 times 5 minus 7 equals 23. Is this true? 23 does indeed equal 23 because 30 minus 7 equals 23. So, yeah, that's a pretty basic one. Let's try a little bit harder one. So, let's try 5x plus 20x over x squared equals 25. So what pardon me. What we're trying to do here is we're trying to solve for this this equation here. So there are two different ways we can take, and I'll take us through both. You could do cross multiplication, which with cross multiplication, because obviously you can tell this is over 25, so it's 25 over 1 is equivalent. So 5x plus 20x equals 25x squared. So what you see here is you see that 25x equals 25x squared. So now you can divide both sides by 25x, and you see we have this special situation that is equal to that, so this is equal to 1. And right, you do the same thing here, you just subtract the things, because right, this is equal to 25 times x over 25 times x. So one of these cancels, so this is and this cancels as well. So it would be x equals 1. So now let me prove that that statement is correct. So if we have 5 times 1 plus 20 times 1 over 1, does that equal 25? 25 does indeed equal 25. So we have found a solution to this equation. Now let's do one more. Let's do something like 5x plus 80x times 20 equals 100. So let's figure out when this this statement is a true statement. So, you know, the best way of handling this is because these are being multiplied together, you can divide this side by 20 and that side by 20. So then you have 5x plus 80x equals 5. So now you have 85x equals 5. So x equals 5 over 85ths, which is equal to 1/17. 1/17, which is equal to 1/17. So, you know, let's prove this. Let's prove this. Yeah. So we just determined that has to be 1/17. So if we just solve this, if we try to solve it, I mean, so we'll do 20 times 5 times 1/17 plus 80 over 1/17. Does that equal 100? So the best way of handling this is we'll take our constant multiple and we'll multiply through. So 100 times 1/17 plus 1600 times 1/17. Does that equal 100? So if you bring that through, then this is 100/17 plus 1600/17. Does that equal 100? And because they have like denominators, we're fine there. So this is 1700/17. Does that equal 100? Well, 100 surely equals 100. So we proved it correctly. So yeah, this is basic algebra. I don't think that it's too difficult. You just gotta practice it, and that's all you need. And probably in my next videos, I'll probably do more algebra, maybe some actual problems that you can actually apply some of this algebra stuff. And yeah, comment and like on this video. Thanks.